Hi, I'm Bruce with Trick Tools. Today we're looking at the Grit GI150 by Fein Power Tools. It's a heavy-duty 6x79 belt grinder with a 5-horse motor. Gives you a ton of grinding power for your big industrial projects. Let's take a deeper look. The GI150 is a 5-horsepower, 2-speed machine available in either 220 or 440 volt 3-phase power. Belt speeds of 3,700 or 7,400 feet per minute make this machine flexible for grinding a variety of materials. The GI150 is available with an optional dust extraction base that pulls dust and chips from 2 locations to keep grinding dust to a minimum. The grinder head is adjustable for working heights from 31 to 40 inches. The front contact wheel tool rest allows for fast material removal and heavy deburring. The 18-inch long upper platen gives you space for surfacing larger items. Belt change is quick and easy. An Allen wrench for the belt cover is the only tool required. A gas shock tensioning system ensures proper belt tensioning, and the tracking knob allows you to center the belt on the contact wheel quickly and easily. The GI150 is the foundation of the Grit modular grinding system, which allows you to add different attachments to accomplish even more. The centerless grinder attachment is great for polishing or removing mill scale from tubing or pipe. The tube notcher attachment can notch 90-degree angles up to 6-inch OD or 30 degrees on 4.5-inch tubes. All of these things add up to a very flexible and useful machine for a variety of different applications. For more information on this Fein belt grinder or any of our other high-performance tools for the fabricator, be sure to check out our website at Trick-Tools.com. Thanks for watching.